Motorcycle jackets for men. Viking Cycle Ironside Men's Mesh Motorcycle Jacket, small, black. Breathable. The Viking Cycle Ironside Textile Mesh Motorcycle Jacket is made to preserve airflow as you ride, making it the ideal summer season motorbike coat. The mesh layout allows you to choose just how much airflow you want and feedback to the weather. CE-approved armor. The Ironside is covered in CE-certified shield, cushioning your top and lower back, shoulder, and arm joints from abrasion. This style helps secure you from falls as you ride, while making sure a complete variety of activity. Multi-pocket storage. The Ironside's 3 inner pockets protect your prized possessions with zipper protection, assuring none of your ownerships wind up falling out during your flights. These are combined with 4 zipper-secured pockets on the outside, making certain plenty of space for all your personal belongings. Functional and comfortable. This is among Viking Cycle's most elegant motorbike coats, with your convenience and design guaranteed. The cuffs as well as waistline have a custom-made adjustable Velcro band that offers the desired fit. The adjustability of this cruising jacket offers optimal flexibility, so you can concentrate on the roadway as well as flight comfortably. Affordable quality. We manufacture our coats with the finest products at a budget-friendly price. Try our coats without worry, since you will certainly observe the quality of craftsmanship as well as trip-in style. License pending style. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.